Stop. Most students are using AI the wrong way. If you use AI like this, you will not learn anything. In this video, I'll show you the right way students should use AI for study. Many students just copy and paste AI answers. This may look easy, but you don't learn anything. If you depend fully on AI, you cannot think on your own. This is dangerous for exams. Remember this rule. AI is not your teacher. AI is your assistant. Use AI to understand topics. Ask it to explain in simple language. Always ask for step-by-step explanations. This helps you write answers in exams. AI is great for making short notes and quick revision before exams. Use AI to improve grammar and writing, not to write everything for you. In coding, use AI to understand mistakes, not to copy code. Here is the golden rule. If AI gives the final answer, stop. If AI explains the process, continue. Comment your class and subject below. I'll show the best AI study method for your subject. Subscribe to Cool AI for students.